Welcome to Crack Pack. My name's Andrew. Today we're cracking open Dominaria United. Let's get cracking. Our first card today is Bog Badger, followed by Coalition Warbrute. Then we have Scout the Wilderness, Hammerhand, Idyllic Beachfront, Phyrexian Warhorse, Impede Momentum, Radiant Grove, Samite Herbalist, Lightning Strike, Nishoba Brawler, Hero's Heirloom. We have a stained glass showcase art, Baird Argivian Recruiter. And we have a borderless full art Addarkar Wastes, which is the white-blue Pain Land. And I said it was a couple days ago. Pain Lands are phenomenal, giving you a untapped dual land, when normally, at least the last several years, normally a dual land comes in tapped or has a pretty strong downside if it's coming in untapped. Pain lands like this have very little downside in that all that they're going to do is deal 1 damage to you if you tap for a color. That is very little downside to have immediate mana fixing, in this case in white and blue. Then our land is a mountain, and we have an arena promo card to round out the pack. And that's all for today. Thank you for cracking along with me. Be sure to check back tomorrow as we crack open another pack.